What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. Oneplus is rolling out a new update for Oneplus 9 and 9 Pro, and this time it is ColorOS Open Beta 3 for both the devices. Basically ColorOS is meant for Chinese region, but you can easily install it on your global units of OnePlus 9 series. So here you can see I have my OnePlus 9 on which I am running ColorOS 12 Open Beta 3. Let me show you the software information. Here you can see Android version is Android 12, device is OnePlus 9, build number of ColorOS is C.31. And this latest update of ColorOS comes with 5th November 2021 security patch. Here in India, OnePlus 9 series are still running Open Beta 1 based on OxygenOS 12. Let's wait and watch when OnePlus gonna roll out new updates based on OxygenOS 12. It's been a long time, we still haven't received the Beta 2 update of OxygenOS, wherein this is the third update of ColorOS based on Android 12. Before talking about the software changes, these are the benchmark results. With Geekbench application, single core has scored 875 and multi-core has scored 3263. Pretty good scores to be seen on this build of ColorOS. And with Antutu benchmark application, device have scored 7,28,657. So as said, some great results to be seen with benchmark testing applications. If you talk about the changelogs of this latest update of ColorOS, which is ColorOS Open Beta 3, in this they have done tons of fixes. There are no new features included, but fixes have been done related to system, connection, camera, PC Connect, and a later security patch update. And guys, if you want to install ColorOS 12 on your global units, then you can easily do it if you're already running Open Beta based on OxygenOS 12. I'm not sure whether you guys will be able to install it over stable version of OxygenOS 11, but if you're running OxygenOS 12 Open Beta 1, then just download this system update APK from the description below along with the ROM file. And if you're downloading ColorOS Open Beta 3, I would recommend to use your PC for the download process, because all the links are of Chinese server, and if you use your mobile to download, you'll get very low speed. So I would recommend use Internet Download Manager on your PC to download the files. And once you download the file, place it inside the internal storage of your device. Avoid placing it inside any of the folders. So here you can see that file, which is the complete zip file of ColorOS 12 Beta 3 firmware. And after that, as said, you just need to install this APK called System Update APK. Once you install it, open the application, tap on this gear icon towards the right top corner, and you'll be able to see the file. Just select the file, installation process will automatically start. Once done, just reboot your device. I flashed it over OxygenOS 12 and that did not even affect my data. But it is highly recommended to take a backup of your device. So for me on ColorOS, everything seems to be working fine because I did not clear any data after installing it over OxygenOS 12. So I have Google Play Store working along with the Google Contacts and other Google services. Now talking about the changelogs, with the first changelog under system, they have improved the performance of system, and yes guys, you can actually notice the improvements in the performance while using the ColorOS Open Beta 3. Also, I've noticed charging speed seems to be improved compared to the previous build of ColorOS 12. Later, other fixes under system are related to the recents panel and notifications. Few display issues have also been taken care on this latest update of ColorOS 12. And on the previous update, there were few issues related to the phone application, which used to crash sometime, but that's not the case on this update. I've been using this build since yesterday, and till now I haven't faced any kind of issues related to the phone app. Personal hotspot and Wi-Fi issue have also been taken care. On the previous update, few users also reported that they had issues related to turning on of Wi-Fi. But here, after this update, there are no issues related to Wi-Fi or hotspot. With the changelogs, they also claim that camera opening speed have been increased, but I did not notice any major improvement in the same. Later, they have also done few fixes related to the PC Connect feature. And this PC Connect feature is exclusive for ColorOS 12. I have also made a dedicated video on PC Connect feature. I'll leave that video guide in the description below. Make sure to check that out. And with the last changelog, they have updated the security patch to 5th November 2021. And guys, yesterday I have made a video in which I have explained all the top features of OxygenOS 12, including the privacy policies. So make sure to check that video out. And if you guys want a dedicated video on top features of ColorOS 12, let me know in the comment section below. So there are some exclusive features of ColorOS 12 and I'll try to make a dedicated video on the same. Most of the things have been updated with new features like this new game dashboard and many more. So guys, this was a quick look on the latest build of ColorOS, which is ColorOS 12 Open Beta 3. I'll be using this build as a daily driver and come up with a review in which I'll cover all the things like camera, performance and battery backup. So as of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.